Planning to explore Split, but don't want to drag your luggage around all day? Radical Storage offers a fast and reliable way to store your bags while you enjoy the city's sights. In this guide, I'll explain how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Split using Radical Storage, a trusted platform that partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes to ensure your bags are safely stored and fully insured. To avoid phishing websites, make sure to use the secure link in the description to access Radical Storage's official site. Once on the platform, finding a luggage storage point in Split is simple. Just type Split in the search bar, and you'll be shown a list of available storage spots across the city. Choose the one that's most convenient for your location, whether near tourist attractions, transit stations, or Split's historic center. Select the drop-off and pick-up times that suit your schedule, then proceed to payment. Radical Storage guarantees secure online transactions, giving you peace of mind while booking. After completing the process, you'll receive a confirmation with a reference number and directions to the storage location. Upon arrival, simply show the reference to the staff, and they will securely store your luggage. That's all it takes. Now you can explore Split without worrying about your bags, knowing that they're safe with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.